Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm going to make something really simple, and this is a feather mold that I have for some time and I really wanted to try it. So I did actually tried it before but never got the chance to film it. So that's why you see a lot of ghost mica on brush into the mold. So I have some leftover mica into the mold and then I am going to brush some more. So as a lot of time I do ask that what brush do I use for my mica rubbing into the mold. So I try to use high quality brushes so that it won't damage my mold. So same is the case here. So I'm gently rubbing the mica all into the mold here. So I will be going with a theme. So I will be making two feathers. So this one is going to be a really clear, simple one. I have mixed my resin, but for some reason it was going a bit overheated and it was just a perfect time to pour. You can see that it is already so thick, but I was managed to pour this into the mold and saved my resin. So sometimes resin do act crazy because I always say that resin has its own mind, but I was happy that I could able to save it. So it's all done. And after that I used a little bit of heat gun to just level it up, but at this time it is already starting to cure, so heat gun was not going to help, so I just left it to cure. So this is the next day and I'm going to demold it. I was happy that I saved the resin as I explained that it was going to cure. So here it is out of the mold and I just love it how beautiful this feather is, and the interference mica, just a simple rub of this. So on to the next one, and the next one I'm again going to use the same mica and I'm just going to show you that it is an interference ghost mica blue. This is the one, and I just rubbed it onto the mold here, and after that I will be pouring a black resin this time. So I have mixed my resin here. This resin is by Lex resin. It's their black resin that is already pre-mixed black resin. So you don't have the issue to add a black pigment or anything. So I'm going to do this in a bit, you can say 2 layers. So this is going to be the first layer. And I will leave this layer to cure. So this is the second day, and the second day what I will be doing here is that you can see that I have a little gap here. So I'm going to fill that gap with something magical, and that magical thing is this holographic sheet. So fun thing about this holographic sheet is that it is a sticker, and you can use it as a sticker onto the back of the project you're doing. So in this way you don't have to fear that if you're adding resin to your project it will float upwards. It will stick itself. So this is something really fun. So I will be cutting it according to the size here. So this fits perfectly, and now I'm going to just remove the peel. And just like that it's off now, and now I'm going to just gently press this onto the resin here because there is already resin into the mold, so this is going to be really extra helpful. And after that a second layer of black resin, I will be topping it, just making sure that it stick well. I was thinking of adding a clear resin to back, but I really want to make this one a black feather, so that's why I'm going to pour a black resin on the back of this holographic paper. So second layer of black resin is going on top of this. And after that I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and let's see how this looks like. We already done the clear one, and now it's time to do the black one. So it's after the mold, and this is how lovely it looks like. You can so the holographic sheets is a bit hidden, but still you can see the glimpse of it. So it has a beautiful hidden pink, purple, blue mica effect. So after that, I will be doing a little bit of accent onto this leaf here. So I will be taking a golden alcohol ink by Pinata, this one, and just shake it lightly, and after putting a drop of it onto the surface, I will be just dipping my finger into that alcohol ink, and then I will be rubbing it onto the side of the feather. You can do whatever golden color you like. You can add any other color. It's really up to you. You can use a gilding glue also, but this time I was just going with the alcohol ink. So in this way, I just want a rough golden effect on the edges. So all around, I will be simply putting this golden alcohol ink onto the feather. And same thing I have done with the white one also. I just love how detailed this mold is. I will put the shop where I bought this mold from. Just a little bit into the center also. So these are going to be fairly simple, but they are so beautiful. I have an idea in my mind how to I will be going to show you. But first, let's see how they look like. So this is the final look of both of the feathers. So I had this idea in my mind that I have to make a white one and a black one, just following the concept of yin yang. So sometimes it's really not difficult to create something simple, but yet it's so beautiful. And sometimes mica plays an important role in creating something. So you can use a holographic paper all the way, and it will turn into something beautiful. But this time I just wanted to go simple, but with the mica and with adding a little bit of pearl. Sunlight hits it and it is looking really unique. I have an idea to display these, so keep on watching and you will be seeing that what I was talking about. I'm going to make it into a modern art. First of all, I'm just enjoying these and seeing how they look like in the sun. So here I'm going to present you that how I wanted to display these. So this is actually how I wanted them to be displayed. So I put them on a whiteboard, but you can put them as it is like on the wall, and they are going to be an amazing wall decor, a statement, something to talk about. Because they are feather, they have a beautiful energy. These you can connect it with the angelic energy also. So it's really up to you however you want to take it. It's a conceptual art, and I always like to take my art onto different level. So this is for today, and I hope you like these simple but yet meaningful art project. And like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And thank you so much again for your lovely beautiful feedback. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.